It's snowing! I had no idea it was going to snow. Look at this. It's just raining back at my house, but here in the mountains, it's snowing hard. Wow. It's been a long time since I've seen snow. Home! Oh, I love it here. Look at this BMW! Look at the trees! Look at the mountains! Look at the rocks! Look at the bridge! Oh, okay, that's, man-made. Never mind. Look at my stem! Okay, that was a little weird, but, you know what? Forget it. I used to live here before Crazy Dave hired me for Leaf. When I get back to the Leaf base, I'm gonna give them a really big thanks for letting me have a day off. Snow! Give me more snow! No! Ow. I'm really happy I could come back here. Hey. What? Hello. Who are you? I am the Ice King.